Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install XAMPP on Windows 10. Type XAMPP download in browser search bar. Click download XAMPP. Select version and download. XAMPP is downloading. Double-click to open downloaded file. Click OK to continue. Click Finish. Click Save. Start Apache and MySQL services. Click Allow access to both Apache and MySQL services. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.